Welcome back to Health Journey. Today, we're focusing on one of the most vital organs in your body, your liver. Often referred to as your body's natural detox center, the liver works around the clock to filter out toxins, process nutrients, and support overall health. But how do you keep this powerhouse organ in tip-top shape? In this video, we'll explore the top 10 foods that can make your liver strong and healthy. These foods are not just delicious, but also packed with nutrients that support liver function, help repair damage, and even protect against liver disease. So, if you want to give your liver some much-needed love, stick around to learn more. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Health Journey, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health tips. 1. Garlic. Let's start with a small but mighty food, garlic. This pungent bulb is not just for adding flavor to your meals, it's also a liver-loving superfood. Garlic is rich in sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins. It also contains selenium, a mineral known for boosting antioxidant levels in the liver. Imagine your liver as a busy factory working 24/7 to keep your body clean. Garlic acts like the factory's maintenance crew, ensuring everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Just a few cloves a day can help your liver perform its detox duties without a hitch. Do you include garlic in your diet? Share your favorite garlic recipes in the comments below. 2. Leafy greens. Next up, we have leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula. These greens are rich in chlorophyll, a powerful compound that helps detoxify the liver by neutralizing heavy metals, chemicals, and pesticides. Think of leafy greens as your liver's personal cleaning crew. They help sweep out toxins and provide essential nutrients like vitamin C and E, which are crucial for liver health. Adding a handful of greens to your diet each day can make a big difference in how your liver functions. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming leafy greens regularly can reduce the risk of fatty liver disease, a common liver condition. 3. Beets. Beets are a vibrant and nutritious food that does wonders for your liver. They are packed with antioxidants called betalains, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. Beets also contain nitrates, which improve blood flow and support liver detoxification. Think of beets as a fresh coat of paint for your liver, giving it the boost it needs to function efficiently. Their rich red color is a sign of their liver-strengthening powers. Have you tried beet juice? If not, give it a try and let us know how you liked it. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric, or the golden spice, is another fantastic food for liver health. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps protect the liver from damage and can even stimulate the production of bile, which is essential for digestion and fat metabolism. Picture turmeric as a protective shield for your liver, guarding it against harmful toxins and inflammation. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine, whether in a curry or as a tea, can provide long-term benefits for your liver. According to a study in the Journal of Gastroenterology and Hepatology, curcumin supplementation has shown promise in improving liver health in individuals with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. 5. Avocados. Avocados are not just trendy, they're also incredibly good for your liver. They are rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which help reduce inflammation and improve liver function. Avocados also contain glutathione, a potent antioxidant that plays a key role in detoxifying the liver. Imagine your liver as a hard-working team player that needs the right fuel to keep going. Avocados provide that fuel, helping your liver stay strong and resilient. Do you love avocados? How do you incorporate them into your meals? Let us know in the comments. 6. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is another liver-friendly food that you should consider adding to your diet. This citrus fruit is rich in antioxidants like naringenin and naringin, which help protect the liver from injury and inflammation. Grapefruit also boosts the liver's ability to burn fat, making it a great food for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. Think of grapefruit as a natural liver tonic that helps your liver stay healthy and vibrant. A glass of grapefruit juice in the morning can set the tone for a day of healthy liver function. Research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food highlights that naringenin in grapefruit can help reduce the risk of liver fibrosis, a condition where liver tissue becomes scarred. 7. Walnuts. Walnuts are more than just a healthy snack. They're a superfood for your liver. They are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and protect the liver from damage. Walnuts also contain arginine, an amino acid that supports the detoxification process by helping the liver remove ammonia. Picture walnuts as tiny warriors that enter your liver, fighting off inflammation and keeping your liver cells healthy and strong. Just a handful of walnuts a day can have a significant impact on your liver health. How often do you eat walnuts? Try adding them to your salad or oatmeal and let us know how you like it. 8. Green tea. Green tea is a powerful drink that offers numerous benefits for your liver. It is rich in catechins, a type of antioxidant that improves liver function and protects against liver diseases. Green tea also helps with fat metabolism, preventing fat accumulation in the liver. Think of green tea as a gentle breeze that sweeps away toxins from your liver, leaving it refreshed and rejuvenated. Sipping on green tea throughout the day is an easy way to support your liver's health. A study in the International Journal of Molecular Medicine found that regular consumption of green tea can reduce the risk of liver disease and improve liver enzyme levels. 9. Olive oil. Olive oil is a staple in the Mediterranean diet, and for a good reason. It's great for your liver. Olive oil is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and improve liver function. It also aids in fat metabolism, preventing fat buildup in the liver. Imagine your liver as a finely tuned machine that needs the right oil to run smoothly. Olive oil provides that lubrication, keeping your liver functioning at its best. Do you cook with olive oil? If not, consider making the switch for the sake of your liver. 10. Berries. Last, but certainly not least, we have berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. These tiny fruits are packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, which help reduce liver inflammation and oxidative stress. Berries also support the liver's detoxification process and can help prevent liver damage. Think of berries as a colorful army that marches into your liver, fighting off toxins and protecting your liver cells. Incorporating berries into your diet is a delicious way to give your liver some love. A study published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology found that regular consumption of berries can help reduce the risk of liver fibrosis and other liver-related conditions. Your liver is one of the most important organs in your body, and taking care of it should be a top priority. By incorporating these 10 liver-strengthening foods into your diet, you can help protect your liver from damage, improve its function, and support your overall health. Remember, a healthy liver leads to a healthier you. Start making these foods a regular part of your diet today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Health Journey for more health tips. Have you tried any of these liver-friendly foods? Let's chat in the comments below about how you're taking care of your liver. Check out our other videos on liver health and detox tips. Don't forget to subscribe to Health Journey for more tips on living your healthiest life.